should, could, would. Sarah, do you know the difference between these three words?
Not at all, Nick. Can you explain me the difference and the usage?
Sure, Sarah. Let's dive into the use of should, could, and would with some examples and a dialogue at the end of the lesson to help you. First one, should. Should is used to give advice, make recommendations, or express expectations.
Now, I understand the definition. Please give me some examples.
Before giving you examples, let me remind you something. Should doesn't take S in simple present with these personal pronouns. He, she, it.
Nick, you start making things difficult to understand. What is the reason? Why doesn't it take S like other verbs?
Because it is a modal verb. Notice this. Sarah, all the modal verbs don't take S neither in simple present, nor in the past. Here are some examples. 1. Advice. I should eat more vegetables. We should eat more vegetables. You should eat more vegetables. They should eat more vegetables. He should eat more vegetables. She should eat more vegetables. It should eat more vegetables. 2. Recommendation. I should visit the new museum. We should visit the new museum. You should visit the new museum. They should visit the new museum. He should visit the new museum. She should visit the new museum. It should visit the new museum. 3. Expectation. I should arrive at 6 p.m. We should arrive at 6 p.m. You should arrive at 6 p.m. They should arrive at 6 p.m. He should arrive at 6 p.m. She should arrive at 6 p.m. The train should arrive at 6 p.m.
Thank you so much, Nick, for explaining me this.
You are welcome, Sarah. I am always here by your side, Sarah.
What about could?
Could is used to express possibility in past, ability, or make polite requests. Examples. 1. Possibility. It could rain tomorrow. 2. Past ability. When I was younger, I could run very fast. 3. Polite request. Could you please pass the salt? And remember, could is the past of can. It is also a modal verb. It doesn't take S, neither in simple present nor in the past.
Very good, Nick. It rests one before the dialogue.
Yes, let's go to explain. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations, polite offers or requests, and past habits. Examples. 1. Hypothetical situation. If I had a car, I would drive to work. 2. Polite offer request. Would you like some coffee? 3. Past habit. When we were kids, we would play outside every day. That's all, Sarah.
Thanks again.
Sarah. Sarah and John are discussing their weekend plans. Listen to the dialogue to practice what you've learned here.
Hey John, what should we do this weekend?
We could go hiking if the weather is nice.
That sounds great, but what if it rains?
If it rains, we could go to the new art gallery instead.
Good idea. By the way, would you like to join me for dinner on Saturday?
I would love to. What time should I come over?
How about 7 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Here's a simple exercise to practice using should, could, and would. Fill in the blanks with should, could, or would. 1. If I were you, I study harder for the exam. 2. When I was a child, I swim very well. 3. You like to join us for dinner tonight? 4. You try the new restaurant in town. It's fantastic. 5. If it rains tomorrow, we go to the museum instead of the park. 6. You please help me with this math problem? 7. When we were younger, we play outside until it got dark. 8. You call your parents more often. 'Keep this in mind, Sarah. Should is used to give advice, make recommendations, or express expectations. 1. Advice, you should eat more vegetables. 2. Recommendation, we should visit the new museum. 3. Expectation, the train should arrive at 6 p.m. Could is used to express possibility, past ability, or make polite requests. 1. Possibility, it could rain tomorrow. 2. Past ability, when I was younger, I could run very fast. 3. Polite request, could you please pass the salt? Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations, polite offers or requests, and past habits. 1. Hypothetical situation, if I had a car, I would drive to work. 2. Polite offer request, would you like some coffee? 3. Past habit, when we were kids, we would play outside every day. Thank you so much for watching.